Let me introduce the CMU TrussTutor. TrussTutor helps students learn to solve truss problems using typical methods of statics, method of joints, and method of sections. This is a very quick introduction to the features of the TrussTutor. You can define subsystems, such as defining the whole truss. You can define a subsystem based on just a joint. And you can define a subsystem based on a section. Then you can start drawing forces on trusses. So for example, here's an applied force. You can define support reactions. So the support reaction here. Let's finish the support reactions. We can move those forces so they're a little cleaner. And now we can start writing equations of equilibrium for this subsystem. So for example, we can do summation of forces in x direction. X plus x. Some forces in the y direction. And we can sum moments about any point. For example, point E. Then you can solve these equations. There's no need, if you have an equation with one unknown, you can simply solve. You could then take values, copy them, and substitute. And resolve that equation now that there's only one variable. And you can solve this equation because there are two variables. Then once you find the results, you can put them in a solution diagram where you register your results. Now we could start looking at a joint. So for example, we could look at this joint. And we define internal forces. Have to be drawn assuming they are the unknown ones, assuming they're in tension. And then we could move along and we could start to sum forces in the x and the y directions.